Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today we are gonna search for some guinea hens so Ollie can see them. We'll see what he thinks about it. Come on, bro. All right, usually they're over by the chickens I showed you, but I don't think they are right now at this very moment. No, so let's take a walk around the farm. So what we got here is 3 guinea hens waiting. They have no idea we're here. Let's go take a look. Y'all want to see them? Say hi, everyone. Come on. All right. So these are guinea hens. They have a really cool feather pattern. Ollie likes the feathers. I've been walking around picking them up as they drop them. We're right over here next to this little non-laying hen cage. And they look really cool. They're really timid like Ollie is, so we're gonna have a look and see if we can get a close shot of them. They have a cool sound. Let's see if I can hurt this way. So they eat everything apparently that is in the insect and bug world. They're really cool looking. They're quiet. They're quiet too. Come on. I can hear them at nighttime. They run across the roof, and it's like pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. It's pretty cool. Come on, let's go see them, bro. And these are the turkeys. They are mad that I'm standing here with Ollie. What I didn't know about turkeys is that thing that's hanging over their beak, you can hear them breathing through it. Can you hear it? And this is a really curious hen. She's been following us around. Hello, Mama. Are you the mother hen? And there's the rooster. There's Spike out. I see you, bro. They are so big, guys. Like, you can't tell, but come here, Oz, come see. But in comparison to Ollie, they're really huge. Hello, guys. Their heads look like brains. All right. Well, I didn't expect Ollie to try to play with them or anything, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what's going on here on the farm. It's an update for the house. Apparently, there's a whole bunch of work going there. I've gotten texts, no pictures of what it looks like yet, but I heard it was looking pretty crazy for a while, but they are cruising on it. Sometimes they even stay until like 10 o'clock at night, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, there's a hawk up there, so we gotta go. So we had to diddy mow out of there because a couple hawks flew over and all the animals got uncomfortable, started going crazy. The guy came out and started doing some woodwork, so we're gonna call it a day. We will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Ollie. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of a baby squirrel monkey.